Yeah, Chris J. Y'all know what it is, man. I'm going in like a convicted felon. This ransom, nigga. I'm about to hold his beef for ransom, nigga. Yeah. Guilty for killing shit. Check it. Okay, I'm spitting on this beat like I ate a whole jar of jalapenos. That's discreet when the paper hit the ink. My lyrics just burst, my lines so sick. Chicken soup might make me feel worse. I'm so over you, just like the ceiling fan is. I get more assists than Magic and special ed kids. Like a school lunch, dump you in the gutter. But I'm saying the same thing like a nigga with a stutter. Also known for putting lead in you like a pencil. When that fofo leave you full of red, nigga, like a menstrual. Got that automatic shot, send you niggas to hell. And if niggas wanna beef, I bring taco shells. My metaphors be getting higher than an oak tree. Your girl give me brain like she just got a master's degree. And it's funny how my city on my back like shoulder pads, but you from nowhere land. Gosh, that is so sad. Get the swiper shit, I will snatch your hoe, leave you surrounded by the white like that 70s show. Oh wait, hold up, excuse me, pardon. I will smash a hole like someone was planting a garden. Check me out, Rocket Thunder, James Harden, Russell Westbrook. I get hard stacks and I ain't talking about a textbook. And you know, I'm a young black man. You scared to bring your chick wrong and call me a frying pan. I'm a #1 nigga, I don't take no shit. My money can't fit in my pockets, that don't make no sense. Kill you and your dogs, OJ and Mike Vick. Keep a bunch of dead white men resting in my money clip. I will have you laid out, smoking like a lobster platter. I stack my hundreds tall like Ben Frank on a step ladder. Got them choppers pointed at your back, no elbows. Me and my niggas stay strapped, no Velcro. I'm authentic, this shit I'm spitting's vintage. I seen you have no green cause you was getting lots of pinches. I'm ice gold, my chain's gold, I make green, I double hundreds like Ben Frank on a copy machine. My verse is so hot, nobody did a hop up on them. We X squares from my circle like PlayStation controllers. I just burn ones on any given day to the point that George Washington begging for mercy from his grave. So much green, I'ma need a rake. So much dough, I could probably bake a cake. I rap efficiently, y'all lack proficiency. I stand tall physically, y'all back down miserably. F y'all, domination in my cup, I take big sips, talk shit, defecation of the lips. Each bar spit taller, call it T-Mobile. You rappers under me like a San Antonio Spurs logo. My lyrics are the blood, my veins are the wire. I two-piece these niggas like Popeyes and swimsuit attire. I'm so high, not even a mountain could top me. I'm coming at the crown, y'all gon' need a condom to stop me.